Hey folks, welcome back to the garage. It's 2024, took a bit of time off. Not gonna do too much today, just gonna kind of clean up my garage. Maybe we'll talk about how far we've come in 2023 on the Mustang. I don't really remember where we were. I think we had just put the rear axle in. You know what? Maybe I'll just do like a super cut. If I'm gonna do that, let's go. Yeah, not bad. Remember what this looked like before? That's pretty good. There I go grinding again. Oh, it's so smooth. Man, the wheels are off again. How are we feeling with this? Now that you have all the space, that's a lot easier to fit this in. I've made the most ratchet wind chimes. I mean, what the heck am I even gonna do with these bolts? Why did I buy this? To come out right here. This goes like this. Foxbody folks, just let me know if I get a float. Best way to learn. It's been probably more than a year since she was on all fours. It's a milestone. Stop looking at fancy pants. Light of day. I mean, it's not a really nice day, but
Well, the air conditioning's great in this car.
I can't believe I just missed all that. Yeah, so listen to this. And now with the roof completely done. All right, so with all that said, just wanted to say thank you. Mrs. Sleazy and I are floored by the outpouring of support on both her social media and mine. Thank you again. Thanks for watching, and I will see you later.